Welcome to the tutorial number 18. In this video, we'll be doing practice problem number 4. So here's our isometric view of the model we are going to build. So first we'll build this base, which is 145 millimeters in length and 72 millimeters in breadth. So we'll go on the top plane and press sketch. Then we go on and choose center rectangle. We give the dimensions 145 and 72. Now we'll model this. So for this, we'll first draw a rough sketch. Now to draw the arc from this point, you go away from it and then go back at it. And now if you stretch, now you can get an arc. I'll put it here. Then on this line. Then I go to smart dimension. I'll dimension the distance from this. It is 22, I guess. No, 24. So I'll give it 24. And distance between these two is also 24. Now the length is center point 50 millimeters from this edge to the center point of the circle. So I'll do that. $50. Now I'll go on to the extruded boss base. Then I go on to the selected contours and I select this contour and I extrude it to 25 millimeters. Then I press OK. Now there's a cut on this here, so I'll go and make a sketch. This is 72 millimeters and 6 millimeters of height. So I'll go on this face, press sketch, Control 8 for the normal view. Then I'll go on and select corner rectangle, drop it, and then I give dimensions 6 millimeters. And 72 millimeters of length. And then I select Extruded Cut feature. Which I'll do for 50 millimeters as in the question. You can see 50 millimeters. Now we'll draw this sketch of this part. So for that we'll go on this face and press sketch, Control 8, again a corner rectangle. We'll choose from this corner and stop at this edge. Then we just dimension this part, which is 36. Yes, 36, as you can see here. Now I extrude this. This is 90 millimeters from this face to this downwards, down edge. But this below one is extruded till 25 millimeters. So we'll extrude 90 minus 25 millimeters. 90 minus 25. Yes. Then we press OK. Now we'll go with this cut here. So for that we'll go on this face, press sketch and normal 2. I'll first draw this circle. The circle is distance from here is 48, as you can see here is 48. And from this side it's 36 millimeters, as you can see here. So I'll do that. Smart dimension. Select this edge. It's already 36 millimeters because I made it from the align to the center. So this is done. And we need to draw the dia of this circle, which is 30 is the radius as given. So we'll draw 60 dia. Now for the lines, we draw a rough sketch. Go on to smart dimension. Dimension these lines. So it is 24 millimeters from the top edge. And the down one is 30 millimeters from the bottom edge. Okay, now we trim these unwanted parts. Now to draw it on the other side, we just draw a center line from here to here. Then we go on to mirror entities. Delete this selection and we select these 3 lines. Then we mirror about the center line. Press OK. Now we delete these unwanted entities. Now it's been done. So as it says the sketch is over defined, we'll delete this dimension. There's no need. So now we go on to features and then go on to extruded cut. The cut is supposed to be 12 millimeters. We select this and do 12 millimeters. Press OK. Now there's a hole at this surface. So we go on, select that face and press sketch, then normal to. Then we draw a circle which has the same radius as, sorry, same center as this circle. Yeah, so here it is. We then go on to smart dimension and dimension to be the dia to be 24 millimeters. Then we do features, extruded cut, and we select up to next. So it will cut till this face. We press OK. So now the cut has been done. So a sketch is complete. We select this view and see, as you can see, the sketch has been completed. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch, and check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.